Hello and what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel. You're watching Miguel EDC, the channel where we talk everything EDC gear. And today we have a Vosteed knife to share with you guys. It looks like, that's right, we're going to be checking out the Psyop. And this particular one is very interesting because the Psyop now has a budget version. That's right. There are some variants here with micarta like this one is. And there are some other variants in carbon fiber, fat carbon options as well. I'm using the Gavko Leopard here from Vosteed to do the honors, recently released. Check out the unboxing overview video for more details. And of course, all of these knives will be linked down below in the description and pinned comments so you guys can check them out. Without further ado, let's see what this bad boy is all about. Now, interesting new pouch here, right? We don't no longer have the Velcro. This is now a little leather patch there with the Vosteed logo. Vosteed orange here on the side. Still got the Velcro there. We got the Vosteed. Whoop. Where are you going, sir? Mr. Raccoon there went flying. Got the sticker, got the Vosteed support, wiping cloth, and the warranty and safety guidelines and all that good stuff, how to maintain. But let's go ahead and dive into this guy because I know you guys are excited. So am I. Here we go. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen, the new Psyop. And this is, again, the more affordable version here with the micarta instead of titanium. The OG Psyop, and I recently unboxed that one in the channel as well, so check it out if you haven't already, along with some other interesting Vosteed models. The original Psyop, of course, is a premium knife, $250 so with, premium titanium scales. Here, they have done exposed liners and the green micarta. There are other micarta, many micarta colors available as well. The deep pocket carry clip, which is also reversible. Not sure why they didn't do a filler tab. That would have been nice. Again, just observation. We have big hardware all around, and we have 1, 2, 3 body screws with a nice, brass looking back spacer here. That's looking pretty nice. And of course, the good old recipe here, right? Got an opening hole. This one is rocking the button operated top liner lock. So let's go ahead and bam, get this guy open here, shall we? Give this guy a little bit of a wipe. Right, got some oils there on the blades. This particular one here is on L Max steel. Beautiful satin finish, right, going on. Beautiful drop point blade, flat grind, and of course that button operated top liner lock, which is very, very easy to manipulate, but also very, very strong, right? No movement here, no side to side, no up and down of any kind. The action, of course, is really nice. This thing is on ball bearings, and man, it is drop shotty. Yeah, that is really, really good. That's feeling good there. Gold pivot color, which is also matching the back spacer there. I'm loving that. Reverse flick on this thing, money. Thumb deployment, also money. And we got that front flipper as well. Let me get a good position. Bam, there it is. Yeah, and again, those ball bearings are so smooth, right? I was overcompensating there, kind of calibrating. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, that action feels really, really good. And of course, this is a large size knife. The ergos on the knife are really, really good. Again, if you haven't seen the original Psyop unboxing, well, I'm going to kind of share with you a little bit here. Full hammer grip here with my average size hands. Still got plenty of handle. Again, of course, forward choke with that really good finger choker right there. That is what it's for. Nice jimping here on the blade. And yeah, we can get some work done. This thing is super, super slicey. And again, we got L Max steel on this one. It's looking really, really good. Again, micarta option, nice and chamfer all around. The Vosteed micarta is really, really nice. It's a little bit of a lighter tone than, say, the micarta on my Acorn right here, right? Especially in the green, or if we compare apples to apples, right? This is more like an OD green, perhaps, a little bit darker. This one's a little bit lighter green. The great news about micarta, we'll come back to this guy for some size comparisons in a moment. Great thing about micarta, though, is the more you use it, right, you get your hand oils in there and whatnot, it's going to get darker and kind of age really nice over time. So let's go ahead and do some size comparisons on this bad boy here. Of course, large size knife. Here's that Vosteed Acorn. That's going to be a little bit shorter off an EDC knife there, no doubt. Speaking of button operated liner locks, the Porcupine is a great offering from them. Has great lockup, of course, and it's got that drop point blade also with micarta on this one in the blue. And you can see this micarta is a little bit darker right there. So that is kind of about a medium size compared to the Psyop. Right, you guys can see it right there. Here's the Gavko Leopard, right? The one that I just used to, open this box. That one's going to be a little bit shorter. This one has the M390 and the titanium handles. And here is, of course, the Vosteed RSKAOS. Right, this one has the premium materials as well. Keep in mind, again, the OG of the Psyop comes with the premium titanium. Well, let's do some of the usual ones here on the channel. There's your PM2, right? Just perhaps very comparable to a PM2 from Spyderco. There is your Para 3. It's going to be a little bit shorter. Here's your Demko AD 20.5. That's going to be a little bit shorter. The Kunwu Chad is comparable, but maybe a hair longer. You guys take a look there. Let me know. And on the budget end of things, we got the Tenable Fenrir, very comparable there size-wise, maybe a tad bit shorter. Here is the CJRB Pyrite Light. And last but not least, the Fintiso Parrot and the Corgi from Vosteed as well, right? Those are a little bit medium size. EDC, hopefully you own some of these knives. Again, trying to give you a ballpark idea. All of these knives are highly recommendable, and I have content on all of them here in the channel. So it's going to be no surprise that this thing is going to be wicked sharp here. Kind of getting a feel for that blade. Vosteed is very well known for shipping really, really sharp knife out of the box. So let's go ahead and get a zoom in here for some additional drama. There we go. Now the L Max is going to put in some work. Absolutely. And then some full slices. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yep. Is it going to slice really good? You absolutely bet. Yeah. So definitely got that belly right there. Very, very slicey. And let's of course do a little bit of cardboard as well. This one's a little bit on the thin side. Remember when cutting cardboard, don't cut perpendicular but at an angle. So it should look something like this. Oh yeah. That is effortless, you guys. Definitely getting a good bite. Very toothy edge. And it is going to be a slicer for days. All right, you guys let me know in the comments on a scale from 1 through 10. How sharp is this guy? Rate that factory edge, right? 10 being the sharpest. You all let me know. So yeah, it's always a win. It's always a W for the community whenever a knife company like Vosteed or any other knife company for that matter can grab one of their very, very successful knife designs or collaboration in this case and bring it to a more affordable price point. In this case, we're swapping titanium for the micarta, right? We got a stainless steel pocket clip, and we have L Max instead of M390. So some things have changed, but you are getting the same nice action right there. The great cutting performance, great ergos, right? And I mean, it's still an ambidextrous friendly knife. You would just use your index for the button there as compared to your thumb if you're a righty. So that's good. They got a deep pocket carry clip that is reversible. That's also a W right there. I believe this one is somewhere in the $150-ish range, somewhere. A little bit more, a little bit less, somewhere in that range. Of course, by the time you're watching this video, I would have already linked to this guy down below, so you can check out everywhere you can pick this guy up. But yeah, absolutely a win for the entire community. Now more affordable than ever here, the Psyop. And if you want to spice things up a little bit, right, there's, again, also those fat carbon variants available as well, so you can look into those. So also a possibility, also many variants for the micarta colors. So if you don't like green, for example, there's blue and gray and tan and so many other options there for micarta as well. Check out the inside is hollowed out for weight reduction or milled out for weight reduction. And it just feels good, right? Feels a good weight to it. Balance is somewhere around there, right behind the pivot, right around where the button is. And yeah, it's just pretty sweet knife. I did have a blast carrying the premium version, and it was a pass-around knife. So you know this thing's going right in the pocket the moment this video is over, guys. I would love to hear your thoughts on this knife, right? What do you like about it? What do you love about it? Is there anything you dislike about it? I mean, what is there to dislike? I don't know, because again, Vosteed is just making it even more affordable now, which is always a great thing. Again, I'll have this guy linked down below, just like every other knife you saw in this video. If you made it to this point in the video, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do consider subscribing. I promise you'll be worth coming back for more. Shout out to Vosteed for sending this one in for me to check out and share with you guys. And also shout out to my Patreon supporters and channel members for supporting what I do here. You guys are awesome. If you made it to the end, you are the real MVP. Thank you so much for your love and support. Check out this video to the left for the OG Vosteed Psyop Titanium unboxing, along with some other bangers from Vosteed, or this video to the right that YouTube recommends, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me until the end. You guys are awesome. Take care, and I'll see you on that next video, either this one or this one. Peace.